Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to see some of the IKEA products I found under $10 which are really helpful and of great quality. I will also be sharing my ideas of how to organize and decorate your home with these products. I hope you will get some ideas and inspirations from it. Let's see what are those products. This is the first thing I want to show you guys. It's the real bamboo plants and it comes with a little tank in the bottom filled with water, and you can remove this and put it in the fresh water in a vase. This instantly adds green color and the freshness to your eyes. It can be used as a decor in a kitchen or also in the living room. I got a similar one from IKEA last year and they are still doing good. I frequently change the water, maybe once in every week. This is the second item I want to show you guys. This is not a real plant, they are artificial, but the colors are great. These were also on the sale. I think this is now $2.99. This is a glass dome which can be used as a decor, but this is basically for elevating any of the decor item. Like I'll show you how to use it along with the artificial plant we bought, or any small idols where we can put it inside and show it. You can remove this part, then keep it along with this. This is a plant watering sensor. We always have a doubt whether we overwatered the plants or underwatered the plants. So I bought this one. The price of this one is $4.99 and the batteries are not included. We need AAA batteries. I will use it for some time and then I'll let you guys know whether it is good. These are the measuring cups I got from IKEA. I'm not sure it is a new addition or it has been there for a long time. This cost $3.99. These are the measuring spoons that goes along with this measuring cups and it is $2.99. This is one of my favorite product of IKEA. This is the milk frother. It actually froths milk in like 15 to 20 seconds. It can be used in both hot or cold milk. I usually use it for yogurt also. Before I keep it, I use it so that consistency of the yogurt will be great. And this one costs $2.99 and it is the cheapest of like Amazon or any other place we have seen. So I recommend this one from IKEA. This is a golden tea light holder from IKEA. I'm not sure whether it's a new product or it has been existing, but I like the gold color in it, so I got this one. And this cost $5.99 and the quality is also really good. It's steady and good. This is a real indoor plant. We need to repot it. It comes with a small pot. We need to repot it. And I suggest to add some greens to the indoor to get some fresh air and also freshness to the eyes. And it costs $3.99. This is a potato masher and it costs $5.99. This potato masher is steady and of great quality. These are the artificial lemons which can go to your kitchen countertop in a vase or in a bowl, and it costs $4.99. These are the money plant I got. This is a real plant. It is $5.99. I've been thinking to grow the money plant for some time, so I got this one. This is an artificial plant. It was in the sale, so I got it for $2.49. These are the baking tools and they cost $1.99 each. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.